Hey there, welcome back. Today we are making this delicious 4-ingredient Granadilla tart. So let's get started. I'm using 2 cans of condensed milk and half a cup of Granadilla pulp. I used a little extra which I just wanted it a little bit more zesty. So but anyway, you in your kitchen, you do you. So but half a cup is a correct quantity, and 3/4 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Even that I used a little extra. So when you in your kitchen, you're gonna try different things, but it came out absolutely delicious. It should have a dry texture, but the one that I made was slightly moist, but I served that with fresh cream. To your oven tray, use parchment paper, and you can set the biscuits and set that aside. Once we're done with whisking this mix, we are going to pour this over the biscuits. So make sure you cover all the gaps in the oven tray. You can use biscuits of your choice. I think tennis biscuits goes extremely well, but I use coconut tea biscuits. The next time I make this, I will definitely use tennis biscuits. So the tray is ready, and we are going to pour this mix over the biscuits. And once we're done with this, we are going to put this into the oven and bake for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, which you are going to check. It must dry up properly, then it's set well. So what you can do is, when you remove from the oven, just set this aside. When it's completely cooled, clean the oven tray and leave it in the fridge overnight. And once you're done with that, you can cut them into squares and enjoy. Simple as that, and it was super delicious and zesty. Very, very quick, so you can get this done in no time. Thank you for watching.